Welcome to the Digital Marketing Certified Associate course. Whether you wish to become job ready for digital marketing, or wish to add on digital marketing to your skill set, or wish to learn and use digital marketing for your business, you've come to the right place. We have designed the DMCA course to get you industry ready in digital marketing. You will internalize the domains of digital marketing, master the digital marketing tools, learn to strategize and manage digital marketing campaigns, and work on digital marketing projects and get certified. Through 4 projects, we will give you the required hands-on experience in digital marketing to get job ready. This course will help you prepare for 5 certifications, such as OMCA, Google Analytics, Google AdWords, Facebook, and YouTube. As the world relies on digital communication, the reach and the response of digital marketing keeps growing. As people get online, they realize that they are able to connect to a greater world, become more efficient, and they consume more digital products and access physical products that may have never been available before. Because of this, businesses have seen the opportunities online and have responded by creating more campaigns to reach more people. And it is only estimated to grow exponentially. So that's the world forecast. But what about your business? Most companies have a digital marketing budget and are planning to increase that budget over the next year. In fact, they don't just plan on increasing the budget a little bit. The average increase is nearly 20%. The demand and effectiveness of digital marketing have created one of the fastest growing industries in the world, and there is a significant lack of talent to fill this need. Being a capable digital marketer increases your demand and your value in the marketplace. More than traditional marketing professionals, today's digital marketers have to grasp a wider landscape, present a number of specialized skills, and are able to make a greater impact in a business's revenue and profitability. And for those skills, employers are willing to pay higher salaries. Are you ready to take the next step in developing your skills and career? Are you ready to develop your company's digital marketing assets and be the inspiration for a new campaign? If so, then this program will provide you with the essential building blocks to get started and start practicing in the digital marketing industry. Let's get to it. What are you going to learn in this course? In this course, you'll learn the essential disciplines: search engine marketing, social media, pay-per-click marketing, conversion optimization, web analytics, content marketing, email marketing, and mobile marketing. As you learn the concepts of each discipline, you will also learn the tools associated with each area, be that Google Analytics as one of the leading industry analytics providers, Google AdWords, Facebook, and YouTube. Learning how the tools work and how to gain insights from those tools will provide the feedback you need to guide your work and clarify your strategy. In addition, you'll know how to create a digital marketing strategy. From evaluating your brand message to targeting the right audience to receive that message, we'll look at how to compare the many channels available to marketers today and decide on not only which ones to use, but how to use each one effectively. Then, the course will show you how to manage all of these facets in a campaign. Planning resources, strategically communicating the right message at the right time to the right people. It takes planning and preparation to do it right. Without planning, I've seen too many businesses get sidetracked and lose focus, only to lose profitability. Creating a campaign plan and managing the work on a schedule keeps you moving in the right direction. Having a measurement plan enables you to adjust as necessary during the campaign and make decisions that will enhance your profitability, uncover problems, and find new opportunities. Understanding how to develop campaign milestones and performance indicators keeps you on course. You will go hands-on in each of the tools and perform assignments designed to get you acclimated to the tasks essential for operating in these areas. You will get familiar with the basic operations of these tools, how to set up, run, manage, and report your results. Finally, it's time to get certified. You'll be prepared to get certified in one or more disciplines or sit for your OMCA exam. An OMCA certification proves that you have been trained in these high-value skills and are ready to hit the ground running.